Hello everyone, today I'm going to make chicken biryani, and for that I have placed this saucepan on the stove and soaked the rice in water for 10 minutes. Let's start cooking. Now I'm going to use some spices in the rice: cinnamon stick, cardamom, ghee leaf, and that's it. I forgot to use some shahi cumin in the rice, so I'm giving the shahi cumin. As well some cloves. Now the aroma will turn out really good. Now I'm going to mix the chicken with some spices, ginger paste, some garlic paste, okay, some cumin powder, coriander powder, powder. Chili powder I have to use as well. Okay. Then as well some cumin paste. Some cumin paste I have to use. And lastly some chicken biryani masala. Yes. And some salt and sugar. Some salt, little bit salt, and some sugar. Now I'm going to mix them all together. Finally, I have to use some oil as well, refined oil. Okay, some refined oil, that's it. Now I have to all the chicken very finely. Use some salt. Use some salt. Meanwhile, fry some potatoes. For 5 to 6 minutes. High flame. Now I'm going to pour the chicken inside the frying pan and giving the spices water. For 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to use the rice step by step. I have to use in milk 1 tablespoon of rose water and some Kewra water. That's it. So in the chicken I'm going to use some curd, yogurt, once again some chicken biryani masala to enhance the taste. A little bit again ginger paste and cumin paste. And cumin paste. Now I'm going to mix them thoroughly. See, the oil is coming out from the chicken. It's looking really delicious and yummy. Now I'm going to use the potatoes, fried potatoes over here, and some water. And I'm going to use some water. Let the chicken boil for a few minutes. So I'm going to take some the spices water in one of the pan. Then I'm going to use it with the rice. So I'm taking all the spices water. And use it in the rice. Now I'm going to place all the chicken in another stove. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to use some rice. Some aromatic rice. Water and Kewra water. To enhance the taste. This process will continue 3 times. So once again, some rice. Again. Once again some rice. Okay. Some water. Some spiced water. Spread it evenly so that the smell turn out really good. Some milk and rose and the cooking is almost done. So after 15 minutes I'm removing the lid. See the chicken biryani, it looks so good and delicious. The smell, the aroma is coming out from the chicken biryani and everything is cooked so properly. The chicken biryani looked just awesome and beautiful. Everything is cooked finely.